Have you ever dreaded getting ready for a trip just because of the hassle it takes to not only pack, but to deal with the airline's baggage rules? Yes, you may be excited about going on your trip, but when you think about the whole baggage crap you have to deal with, it sends a sinking feeling in your stomach. Am I the only one? I know for sure I am not. And that is why I did this video, because of what I discovered recently. I am so excited to share this video with you because of how it will unfold to make your next trip better than the one before. These 2024 carry-on tips I discovered are things that the airline does not want you to know up front. Well, they are not going to tell you all of it to your face. You and I know that no traveler enjoys playing the check-in game before boarding and the carousel game after landing. It's time to move past that mess, right? So today, I'm going to give you the inside scoop on how the new carry-on rules will solve all of that mess of anxiously waiting on your luggage at baggage claim, hoping that it came on the plane with you and didn't go off somewhere in Timbuktu. Are you ready to learn how to master this new rule that they think you wouldn't find out about? Well, let's dive right in. It is important to know the 2024 carry-on rules they implemented. The airline expects you to find out on your own or by going to their website. They are not going to announce it to the world, but that is where I come in with the inside scoop. With the new rules, you can breeze through without checking in and avoid those high checked bag fees that keep going up. You are about to find out the sneaky changes in rules that the airlines wish you wouldn't find out. Now, I am about to make you a savvy traveler once and for all. These carry-on rule changes are not restricted to just budget airlines. The bigger airlines are also tightening the grip on what passengers can bring or can't bring on board the plane. There is a trend with most of the airlines stipulating the size of your luggage, and many are cracking down on carry-on luggage that are oversized. Yes, the airlines are getting quite serious about weight limit enforcements. Recently, I was going to Canada and only had a backpack with me. I had checked in one bag. The staff behind the check-in counter told me I had to put the backpack in the bin for her to size it. Did you know that woman charged me $70 because the backpack could not fit? I had overpacked it, of course, hoping that no one would notice. I was livid. I didn't think it was that big of a deal. So that is where the airlines are at now, and so we just have to embrace the change. You'll have to pay an extra fee to check a bag once your carry-on doesn't line up with their new size limit standards. It is all about the money, folks. So now the airlines are touting new weight limits and new dimensions for carry-on bags. No more getting a pass. They are tightening the reins on additional inches, dimension, and size. Do you know what that means? It means that you may not be able to use your existing carry-on because it won't meet their maximum allowable carry-on size and dimensions any longer. So even before you pack your carry-on, you should know the airline's new carry-on rules about weight and size limitations, or you may end up like me, having to pay an extra fee at the airport. Fee structures. Some airlines are adjusting their fee structures for carry-on luggage. While some low-cost carriers continue to charge for carry-ons, others may include it in the ticket price. Be sure to read the fare details to avoid surprises. Size and weight restrictions. Many airlines are enforcing stricter size and weight limits for carry-on bags. For example, the maximum dimensions may be limited to 22 by 14 by 9 inches, including handles and wheels, and weight restrictions could range from 15 to 25 pounds. Always check your airline's specific guidelines before packing. In past years, the weight of a carry-on bag was standard, but it was not really implemented. In other words, you could get away with it. But now, they are getting serious about this. The airlines have a specific weight for carry-on luggage, so it is best to invest in a lightweight carry-on before your next trip. On top of that, the airport is putting their 2 cents in. Of course, they still have their rule that carry-on bags should not have liquids over 3.4 ounces. You shouldn't bring sharp objects or powder, but there are new additions to that list of items not to have. Some of the things on the list are everyday items that may surprise you. In fact, some of these airlines have restrictions on foods with strong odor, and some electronics such as cameras, among other things. That means you should never assume anything. What you likely used to be able to bring in past years is not the same this year. The airlines are always updating their list of prohibited items. So, you must check on the airline's website to find out for yourself before traveling. Of course, the airlines will want you to believe that these new rules are all about your safety and the efficiency of the process. Yes, some of this may be true, but you and I know that it is all about money for them to bring in these new carry-on rules. With these new rules, they are forcing more passengers to check their bags, and that means more money for the airlines. One more thing is that the new strict carry-on rules help to streamline the boarding process, so there are less flight delays. I guess you could say that is a positive thing. Technology integration is another method airlines are using to streamline the carry-on process. Features like online baggage tracking and digital bag tags can help you manage their luggage restrictions more effectively. How you pack is going to determine whether you pay those extra fees or not. I would suggest the use of packing cubes or compression cubes and rolling your clothes instead of folding them. I have done a separate video on this you can check out in the playlists. I will leave a link in the description as well. You can watch that video afterwards. Let's continue. Prioritize essentials. Keep essential items like medications, travel documents, and valuables easily accessible in your carry-on. This ensures you can grab them quickly during security checks or if you need something on the flight. Another thing you could consider is using a backpack as your carry-on instead of a rolling suitcase. Just don't overpack it like I did. Backpacks are quite versatile with multiple compartments to organize your stuff, and they fit easily under the seat in front of you so you don't have to use the overhead bin. If you're traveling with small children, then that is a whole other ballgame, which is going to have to be addressed in another video. The most important thing is to stay informed if you want to have a hassle-free travel experience. There are several travel apps and dedicated websites to help you stay abreast of new developments. Utilize them as much as you can. Next, I will provide additional tips that you can use for a better travel experience. Utilize travel-sized products. When packing liquids and toiletries, opt for travel-sized products or refillable containers. This not only helps you stay within the liquid limits, but also saves space in your carry-on. Organize your bag. Use pouches or bags to categorize your items, for example, electronics, toiletries, snacks. This organization will make it easier to find things during security checks and on the flight. Know your rights. Familiarize yourself with your rights regarding lost or damaged luggage. Understanding the airline's policies can be beneficial if something goes wrong. Stay updated on airline news. Subscribe to travel blogs or follow industry news to stay informed about any changes in airline policies. Sometimes last-minute changes can occur, especially as travel demand fluctuates. Consider travel insurance. Look into travel insurance that covers baggage loss or delays. This extra layer of protection can provide peace of mind, especially if you're carrying valuable items. Prepare for layovers. If your travel involves layovers, ensure your carry-on is packed with essentials for waiting times. Bring along a book, portable charger, or a small blanket for comfort during delays. As airlines evolve their carry-on rules for 2024, being informed and prepared is essential for a smooth travel experience. With the right strategies in place, passengers can navigate these changes effectively. By understanding the new regulations and implementing smart packing techniques, travelers can ensure they have a pleasant journey while maximizing their carry-on space. Okay guys, we just covered the sneaky carry-on weight and size restrictions that airlines have implemented so that you are not surprised when you get to the airport. We have uncovered the fact that there are some new prohibited items that airport security won't allow. You need to check the TSA website. We have shared how you can make your experience easier by knowing how to pack. The airline will always be updating their carry-on policies. It is your responsibility to stay informed. Pack smart to avoid those baggage fees and know your rights as a passenger. Use all the suggestions I mentioned in the video so you can have an ironclad way of being a step ahead of the airports and airlines rules. Remember to visit the links in the description. Anything you purchase will help to support the channel. Let me know if you have any other tips and hacks to contribute. Leave them in the comment section. Please subscribe to the channel and make sure to hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. Until then, safe travels.